day, pupils. How are you? You're welcome to your mathematics class, and this is brought to you by your teacher from Practical Computer Comprehensive School, your online teacher. I am your friend and you are my friend. So as friends, let's get to know each other. I would like you all to stand up one after the other and say your name. You can pause this video while you stand up and say your name. Are you done saying your names? You all have such a wonderful, beautiful name. Well, you can call me your online auntie. Today we are looking at our first week work on mathematics, and our topic is whole numbers from 1 to 500. I repeat, our topic is what? Whole numbers from 1 to 500. So your learning objectives are, by the end of this lesson, you should be able to count numbers in ones from 1 to 200, count numbers in tens from 10 to 500, identify and read numbers in words up to 500. Then you should be able to fill in missing numbers from 1 to 500. I would want you to pause this video and stand up and recite your numbers from 1 to 100. Let me see those who can remember how they recite their numbers before we go ahead for today's lesson. So what we are looking at right now is our activity. Since you were able to all count your numbers or recite your numbers from 1 to 100, I would want you to write it down to prove that you don't just know how to read them, you know how to identify them in writing. I have done some part for you, and for the places that you might find difficult to move to the next number, I have also made that easier for you by providing your tens. You can see them at the left hand side: 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and 100. So pick up your pen and your writing material and write down from 1 to 100. What we are viewing now is our guide to counting in ones up to 200. You have counted in ones from 1 to 100 previous day, and you all did well. I believe so. And now let's look at how we count continuously from 100 to 200. We have 100, right? So in counting in ones, we add 1. 100 plus 1 is 101. How do we write 101? You arrange it 100 plus 1 at the unit side. 0 plus 1, 1. 0 plus nothing, 0. 1 plus nothing, 1. So that is how we write 101. We said 100 plus 2 is equal to 1 for 100, 0 for tens, and 2 for units. That is 102. 100 plus 12 is 1 for 100, 1 for tens, and 2 for units. Or you easily say 1 412 goes in for 12, and you get 112. I know you will want me to use my highlighter to write that out for you. Okay, let me see if I can stroke something down for you. 112. 100. 1 for 100. Sorry about that. I will clean that off. Yeah, this is my own writing material. And now we go back. 1 for 100, 1 for tens, and 2 for units. That is how we write our 112. 100. 1 for 112 goes in. Do you get that? Do you understand that? So pick up your book once again today and write from 100 to 200. You can see I've done that here to make it easy for you. We say 102, 103, 101, 102. What goes here? 103. When you reach 109, 109, you have 110, that is 110 or 11 tens. So I need you to do this from 1 to 200 right now. Today, also today, do that. And let's say this will be your activity at home. The one you did in the class is perfectly done from 1 to 100, and this should be what you should do at home. You can ask mom or dad or your elder brothers to assist you so that you can do a great job. So have a wonderful day and stay educated.